Prince Harry and other famous faces will be at London's High Court tomorrow. The Duke of Sussex, as well as other celebrities, including Elton John, claim their privacy was breached by the publisher of the Daily Mail and associated newspapers. This is Laura Bundock and Katie Spencer with a joint report, a preview of what to expect.
Prince Harry versus the tabloid press, round 3. This time, he's taking on the Mail.
Attempting to expose the dark arts of journalism with 6 other prominent figures.
They're claiming journalists used unlawful information gathering dating back 30 years. So who's involved?
And what do you need to know?
It's all happening at the High Court, and this is a location Prince Harry is rather familiar with because he's been here before. In 2023, he took on Mirror Group newspapers, making him the first senior royal to give evidence in a courtroom since the 19th century. Now his fight with Fleet Street turns to the Daily Mail.
Well, earlier this year, lawyers for the claimants sought to amend their case to add a swathe of new allegations for the trial. They argued that they should be allowed to rely on evidence that they claim showed the Mail was involved in targeting Kate, the Princess of Wales. However, the judge ruled this allegation was brought too late before the trial.
Crucially, the High Court heard a key witness in the case, the private investigator Gavin Burrows, claimed his signature on a statement confirming alleged hacking had taken place was forged. That's important because most of the claimants told the court they started legal action based on evidence apparently obtained by Mr. Burrows. What'll be interesting is whether he's still called as a witness.
A judge previously said if Burrows gave evidence that was inconsistent with the evidence they had obtained, then they could apply to treat him as hostile.
But could the 9-week trial end before it even gets going? Well, in short, yes, civil cases can be settled. This happened in Harry's case against News Group newspapers, NGN, which published The Sun. Just before the trial began last year, it was announced both sides had reached an agreement. NGN apologised to Harry and paid substantial damages, reportedly more than £10 million, mostly in legal fees.
One thing's for certain, there is a lot the claimants want to get off their chest.
And for Prince Harry, this is the last chapter of his highly personal crusade against the tabloid press.